Bioptron ima veliko učinkov na naše zdravje in dobro počutje. Tudi v času korone lahko pomaga pri dvigu imunskega sistema in psihičnemu zdravju ljudi. Zato je res vredno prisluhniti kratkemu predavanju, ki smo ga povzeli tudi za našo oddajo.
Hello to all of you in Poland. I hope that you're all healthy. And today we're going to reveal a secret how to maintain and improve our health, which is very important these days. We're talking about Bioptron Hyperlight Therapy, but before we start, I would like to take you to the past, back in 1903. The year when Danish professor Niels Finsen was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Medicine. He was awarded for the treatment of lupus vulgaris, serious skin condition with concentrated light. This prize opened a totally new field in medicine, the field of light therapy, the field that is happening now, but it is also the future of medicine and now is widely used in medicine. From prevention, such as improving immune system, which is very important these days, to treatment of serious dermatological, vascular and psychiatric disorders. Now, you can ask yourself, is every light healthy? My answer is no. Unfortunately, we're living in the time of extreme pollution. The air is polluted, the water is polluted, but the light is polluted as well. We often do not perceive that polluted light is hidden cause of numerous serious health conditions. On the other hand, life without light is absolutely impossible. Every one of us needs daily dose of healthy light. And we need a light that is in the same time protecting us and healing us. The light that is protecting us and healing us is hyperlight. Healthy, ill, young ones, old ones, we all need a daily dose of hyperlight, healthy light to maintain our health and balance. And thanks to Bioptron Hyperlight Therapy, that light can finally be with us in any time and in any place. Bioptron is unique, patented, clinically tested and certified medical device. It is produced in Switzerland and has EU, Canadian, Australian certificates. It is also approved by Serbian Agency for Medicine and Medical Devices, as well as in FDA. Bioptron Light Therapy is in the market for more than 30 years, used in more than 60 countries with over 3 million satisfied users worldwide. It is designed for easy use, both in professional and home purposes. And now I'm sure that you're asking yourself, what is the secret weapon of Bioptron that gives him that strong power? Thanks to the unique combination of light characteristics, it provokes cell biostimulation and thus heals and repairs the whole body using its own cell capacities. Biostimulative effects of Bioptron are endless. It improves oxygen transport to the tissues. It also improves immune system as well as stimulates reparative and regenerative processes in the body. Bioptron Hyperlight Therapy is thus used in dermatology, pain therapy, wound healing, after injuries and all surgical procedures, and also in anti-aging medicine. It is totally safe for use both with children and with elder ones. And I will not be wrong if I say that in this crazy pandemic times, our main focus is on our immune system, how to maintain it in the balance, how to improve it. And there is not one person that does not wish strong and optimal immune response. The answer and the key is Bioptron Hyperlight Therapy. It brings your immune system into balance through activation of cellular immune response, increased production of antibodies, and thus stronger immune response to viruses and bacteria. And today, I think that all our attention is directed versus fight from virus infections. Bioptron Hyperlight Therapy is the key because it significantly improves the immune response to viruses, accelerates recovery from virus infection, and forms the invincible barrier for future infections. And the fact that Russian Ministry of Health implemented Biopterin hyperlight therapy into methodological recommendation for prevention, diagnostics, and treatments of COVID-19 infection implicates its significance in the present pandemic time. At the end, I would like to drive your attention to the very important aspect of health too, and that is mental health. Social isolation, anxiety of this present time puts all of us in the state of chronic stress and depression. And the field of medicine with wide use of light treatment is psychiatry. More than any other field of medicine, psychiatry successfully uses light treatment, and Biopterin hyperlight therapy brings neuroendocrine processes in the brain back to balance, thus treating both mental and physical health. And I will not be wrong if I say that nowadays mental health is more important than ever. Besides Biopterin hyperlight therapy, that vital daily dose of healthy hyperlight can be achieved with another product from company Cepter, revolutionary and innovative hyperlight eyewear. Light through the eyes travels to the brain and put all the biochemical processes back to balance. Therefore, you are more motivated, you have better focus, you sleep better, as well as your mood is better. In this pandemic, new normal brought us hours and hours in front of the computers and mobile phones, and thus our exposure to polluted light. Hyperlight eyewear are the best way to change the polluted light into the healthy hyperlight and give your brain what it needs. The only light that protects and heals us and that improves our health and well-being is hyperlight.